The electric vehicle, EV market is booming, and two cars often at the center of the conversation are the Tesla Model 3 and the BMW i4. Both offer thrilling performance, zero emissions, and futuristic technology, but they appeal to different types of drivers. Let's take a deep dive into these two EVs and compare them across key areas to help you decide which one is right for you. 1. Design and styling. The Tesla Model 3 sports a minimalist, futuristic look, both inside and out. Its smooth lines, flush door handles, and lack of a traditional front grille give it a clean, modern aesthetic. Inside, the cabin is dominated by a single 15-inch touchscreen that controls nearly all functions. The BMW i4, on the other hand, leans into sporty luxury styling. It resembles a traditional BMW Grand Coupe with a bold kidney grille and sculpted body lines. Inside, the i4 feels more like a premium European car with quality materials, a curved dual-screen layout, and physical buttons for key controls. 2. Performance and driving experience. Tesla's Model 3 performance variant rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, thanks to its dual-motor all-wheel drive system. Even the standard version is no slouch, offering quick acceleration and responsive handling. The BMW i4 M50, its top performance trim, isn't far behind with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of about 3.7 seconds. However, it offers more in terms of driving dynamics, with a heavier chassis that feels planted and a suspension system designed for smooth cornering. 3. Range and charging. The Tesla Model 3 long range offers up to 358 miles on a full charge, while the standard model provides around 272 miles. Tesla's supercharger network is also a massive advantage, with fast, reliable access nearly anywhere in the US. The BMW i4 eDrive 40 has a range of about 301 miles, while the M50 performance model drops to around 270 miles. BMW relies on third-party charging networks like Electrify America, which are improving but still not as widespread or integrated as Tesla's system. 4. Interior and technology. Tesla's interior is futuristic but can feel overly minimal to some. There are no traditional instrument clusters. All information is routed through the central screen. Voice commands and over-the-air updates keep things modern, but some users miss basic features like a heads-up display or tactile controls. BMW's cabin is more traditional and luxurious, with high-quality finishes, ambient lighting, and supportive seats. The i4 uses BMW's latest iDrive 8 system, which combines touchscreen and physical controls for a more intuitive experience. It also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which Tesla still lacks natively. 5. Autonomous driving and safety. Tesla's autopilot and optional full self-driving (FSD) packages are major selling points. While full autonomy isn't here yet, Tesla continues to update and improve these features via software. However, these systems require driver supervision at all times. BMW offers Driving Assistance Professional, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. It's highly capable but less ambitious than Tesla's system. 6. Price and value. The Tesla Model 3 starts at around $40,000, with the long-range model closer to $47,000, and the performance version around $54,000. The BMW i4 starts at $52,000 for the eDrive 40 and goes up to around $69,000 for the M50. While it's pricier, the i4 delivers a more premium experience. Choosing between the Tesla Model 3 and BMW i4 comes down to what you value most. If you want maximum range, access to fast-charging infrastructure, cutting-edge tech, and unmatched acceleration for the price, the Tesla Model 3 is the smarter pick. If you prioritize luxury, interior comfort, premium build quality, and a more traditional driving experience, then the BMW i4 is worth the extra investment.